OEM 6F6-42177-A0-00 rubber handle is a durable replacement handle designed for smooth and comfortable operation on Yamaha outboard engines, providing a secure grip for reliable control during everyday use. It fits Yamaha two-stroke outboards ranging from 25 to 75 horsepower, including 25, 30, 48, 60, and 75 HP models produced roughly between 1998 and 2009, and replaces part numbers 6G1-42177-00-00, 6G1-42177-01-00, and 6N0-G2177-00-00 for broad compatibility. Made from high-quality marine-grade rubber, this handle resists wear, UV exposure, and corrosion, making it an ideal long-lasting solution for restoring worn or damaged control components, and it is supplied by ICE Marine in Taiwan, a trusted manufacturer of premium aftermarket marine parts, with more information available at iceboatparts.com, via email at seller@icemarine.cc, or on WhatsApp +88 6966468632